Okay, we're out here at Valley of the Rogue State Park down here in Southern Oregon, and I am getting ready to season my new 17-inch Blackstone Griddle. Yeah, that's right. I had to go out and get one because I wanted to be like all the other cool kids on YouTube. Anyway, we're going to get this thing heated up and season it, and we'll take you along with us, I guess. So a couple first impressions of the Blackstone. I'll sit down here next to it. A couple first impressions. The cook surface is cast iron and it's heavy, but I like that because if you've ever cooked with cast iron, you'll know that there's just something about it. There's something about the flavor, the way that it cooks, the way that it heats. Really nice. Once I get this thing seasoned, I'll kind of show you the breakdown of this, but essentially it's just two parts, and you can run it off a green, the green Coleman bottles, or they do have an adapter so you could hook it up to one of your big gas cans. But so here's what's happening right now. Just fired it up for the first time, and so I had to just wipe it down, kind of get any debris that was on the cast iron off. And in about 5 minutes, I'm going to, what they tell you to do is look for discoloring. I'll flip the camera around. It's starting to discolor right here, which when you see the burners are in kind of an H pattern right here. So H. And you can see that's where the discoloring's happening. So what we're going to do is we're going to add some oil. So they want you to use about a tablespoon for the 17-inch. That's about right there. And then use some tongs and a paper towel to grab that oil and spread it around nice and even. I think it needs more oil than that because I haven't even got because you want to get all the edges. Wipe that down really good. In fact, I'm going to put just a little bit more on there. There we go. Because you want to get all these edges done. All that cast iron. Ooh, that's hot. And of course I pick a 98-degree day to do that. So we're going to go ahead and let that get smoky. Cook that down, then I'm going to turn it off, let it cool, and then we'll do it again. But we're going to let that bake in a little bit there. That'll season up nice. Okay, so we just added another coat of oil. Got it fired up. We're going to let that cook until it smokes. Okay, We're putting our final coat of oil on, getting that spread around. And then we're going to fire it back up. And let it cook till she smokes. And then it'll be seasoned. And then we'll be ready to cook on it. Well, okay, so 3 coats of oil, heat, cool. And I had to come inside because it's like 101 degrees outside. I'm going to let it set and cool all the way down. And then we're going to cook on it. I think Tuesday is our night to cook. So we will definitely show you how that goes. But that is the seasoning of the 17-inch tabletop griddle by Blackstone, and we are looking forward to using it. So that's how you do it. It's a real simple process, but it has to be done because it's cast iron. And even though out of the box it has a coating of soy oil, that's really just there to protect it. It's not there to get into the pores of the cast iron. So you want to make sure that you season up that griddle before you use it. So hey, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Please share our channel with a friend of yours, and because most of you only have one friend anyway, so if you could just share our channel with that one friend, that would be super helpful. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and we will get another one out real soon. Thanks for coming along with us.